This owner bought a tiny bed for her cat. Ever since he was a kitten, he used to sleep beside her every night. But after she got married, there was no space left for him on the bed, so she decided to buy him his own little bed. But the bed was so small that only half of his body could fit, so he looked really upset. Seeing this, the owner decided to do something special. She built him his very own mini room. She placed a slightly bigger bed, a soft sofa, a fluffy mattress, and even a tiny table. Then she added a personal snack cabinet just for him. And finally, she finished it with a night lamp so he could sleep comfortably.